we started our Meghalaya trip from Guwahati. From Guwahati, we took a self-drive car and drove all the way towards Shillong. The way was really very beautiful, lush green and clouds and mountains all the way. For day 1, we chose to go Lathelam. So we are at Lathelam actually. It is around 20 to 30 kilometers from our hotel, and we reached there in the morning at 11 AM and now we are having some rest here. You can look out the green view here. It's all green and it is all cloud and mist.
What's this?
Money plant.
Money plant.
Money plant. You want or
Feels like the Scotland of the East. You can see the mist and clouds coming away, and the green patch with small rocks you can see all over. It's really very beautiful. You should visit here and relax for some time. Maybe an hour or two would be good. So ये रेड टी है, ये मेघालय की एक व्हाट यू से स्पेशलिटी है रेड टी। इसको आप यहाँ पे पी सकते हैं इस सुंदर मौसम में। अभी थोड़ी धूप हो रही है। We found these small shops or small restaurants at the Lathelam Valley where we tasted some authentic Meghalayan food and also our favorite Maggie. So this is a small restaurant here which has very nice seating. They have made it from used automobile tires, maybe scooter tires I think. You can have your lunch here. And on my right you can see the beautiful landscape again. We left from Lathelam and decided to go Umiam Lake. We reached a little late at Umiam Lake. The boat counter was about to close. In a hurry, we hired a boat and decided to go to Umiam Lake Island. So we are heading towards Umiam Lake Island. We started from there. Which is going towards the island. Here you can see the island. We will be reaching there in 5 minutes. The island is isolated and very less populated. We relaxed at the island and did some trekking. At around 5:30, we decided to leave and go to the Police Bazaar, the famous market of Shillong. we tried the local street food there and also tried some Chinese food from a restaurant named Hong Kong. After eating food, we did some small shopping of local souvenirs and then decided to go back to our hotel and plan